Hi guys, welcome to the Cactus Art. In this video I'm going to make a canvas painting, so let's get started. As I'm making this painting in the shades of blue, therefore I'll apply dark blue shades of acrylic color in the form of dots at the top layer and light blue dots below this layer. And I'll apply white color in the middle. Now I'll use flat brush to spread the color and blend them beautifully. Here wet sponge will be used for blending colors. I'm using flat brush here to give it a final blending touch. Now apply white paint using liner brush and draw a moon and its reflection. Use wet sponge to blend the moon. Apply white tape between moon and its reflection and use blue and white color above the tape to make a border between moon and its reflection. Here I'm making a broken star and its reflection using glaze brush. And I'll distort the reflected moon to give it a realistic view. Then I'll use toothbrush and apply white paint over it and sprinkle it all over the canvas to give it a galaxy look. Use dark blue color using round brush to make soil and tree over it. Add dots over the tree with red acrylic color. Use bundle of ear cotton buds and apply red color over it to make leaves of the tree like that. Now make reflection of tree and distort it with brush. Use fan brush and apply over the reflection. Make a boat and a man with round brush using black color. Apply white color over the edge of pointed knife and make water waves like that. Red tree in the blues is ready. Thank you for watching.